Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic ST Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in bright white. It looks awesome. You got that chrome accenting up front here with the Dodge badging. You got your halogen headlights right there and the chrome bumper with your fog lights right there as well. Coming on to the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with our Cooper brand tires. They look very nice. You got that classic badging, and you do have your mirrors hanging out right here, and they are heated. Coming around to the back here, we have that Ram badging, the 4x4, and we do have the chrome bumper. You have your backup camera hanging out there too. It is a 6-foot box, and it looks awesome. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You got your handle here, another handle here, and some storage right down here. And it looks awesome in here as well. Very spacious, and the cloth seats are very nice and comfortable. You have the controls over the seats right there. And coming up here, we do have the controls over our lights. So our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as in-cabin light control here. And right up here, we have the controls over our turning signals, our windshield wipers, and our high beams. Okay, let's start her up now. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center, it does tell us the temperature outside, the way we're facing, and it does also tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 1,447. That is not very many at all. You can switch that around to your speedometer, vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, messages, screen setup, and you can turn the menu off as well. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And coming over to the side here, we do have our touchscreen display. So we got our AM, FM, and Sirius XM. You have your media tab here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Phone options right here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, compass, settings, and more. And when you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. You do have your volume up and down here with your mute, screen off, back button, and tuner and browser. And then down in the climate control, you got the power, circulation, hazard lights, temperature control with the AC. Then you also have your mode there. And over here we do have our gear shift, so you just put your foot on the brake and turn it, and that's how you shift gears. Down here you got your controls over your 4-wheel lock, low, and 2-wheel. And then we have our traction control, tow and haul mode right there. And you do got a bit of additional storage right there. You have your 3 cup holders here with your armrest. It doubles as a storage container. You have your coin holders there, and 2 USB and an aux cord plug-in right there. You can also lift this guy up, and you do have another seat underneath there, which gives you 6 seats altogether. And then you do have your top and bottom layers for your glove boxes. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door, you got your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and it looks awesome in here as well. Same material as the front, and it is very spacious. You can lift this guy up, and you do have some storage underneath there with some cup holders. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. And that does it for my walk around video, the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.